Or are you putting it on the grill and in the fire? Oh!
Oh!
Where'd it go?
It's obliterated, is what it seems like. Jesus Christ.
Did we expect it? No! I thought a little thing! I thought we were just moving back for fun!
He's got a grenade!
Do it, it's all yours! Get down!
I die! It's your fault!
We'll have nice things to say at your funeral.
I can't see
Go,
it.
go, 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 go!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it was getting
Oh my
so
god.
even like in my hands.
Oh,
Where is it?
It's slowly expanding.
Wait, how is it expanded?
It was tight.
Oh! Oh, the lid went. Cap on and just throw it, Mark.
You're gonna seal it?
And put it over there.
Oh,
I'm gonna throw it.
yeah, but you're gonna tighten it and then it's gonna like blow right there.
Oh!
Oh shit, it's going backwards again. Ryan, every time you say whoop,
Oh!
I take a step back.
It keeps letting out little puffs on the inside. Oh my god, it's taking forever.
I want to inhale too,
Go!
Oh yeah, it's full.
You're pretty good aiming, Ryan.
I've thrown a few rocks in my day.
It shouldn't take this long.
I know. Let's get another bottle going.
Well, first that one first.
Throw the axe at it. It's a dud.
I can feel it expanding as soon as I close it.
That's how it works.
This one's taking a while.
Time to go check it out, Adrian. I think I'm gonna go have to check it out for real now. Yeah. It can sense your insincerity. It knows.
If I go down there and die,
Don't go down there.
Don't go down there and die, but do go down there.
stop leaking.
He's gonna die, isn't he?
Look. What a horrible way to die. Yeah, pull your pants up.
Have a little dignity in your last moments, for Christ's sake.
Oh my god! So damn balloon.
It's any second.
Holy shit, that was
Wow.
It's so
Holy fuck.
No shrapnel, you retard!
That was a serious one.
It was getting me so fast.
It's just twisted and mangled.
To children.
Dude, 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 dude. Racing start sounds.
This is riveting.
It really is.
That's pretty cool.
Two? Yeah. Looks like this.
My God.
I got a lot in here.